Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Star Trek model kits is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies for any Star Trek fan. These kits allow you to bring iconic starships and scenes from the Star Trek universe to life, offering a hands-on experience that combines creativity, precision, and a deep appreciation for the franchise. Whether you're a seasoned model builder or a newcomer, there's a Star Trek model kit out there for everyone. Number 5. AMT 1126 M12 Star Trek Model Kit. Today, we're looking at a detailed plastic model kit. This is an unassembled and unpainted model, ready for you to bring to life. This kit offers a high level of detail, perfect for model enthusiasts. It's a great way to enjoy a classic from Star Trek. The model comes unassembled, allowing you to build it from scratch. You can paint it to your liking, making it truly unique. Assembly is made easy with a snap-together design. This makes it a fun project for modelers of various skill levels. Please be aware that this kit contains small parts. It is a choking hazard, so keep it away from young children. Actual product may vary slightly from the pictures shown. What we like. This model kit offers easy snap-together assembly, making it perfect for beginners. It's also unassembled and unpainted, allowing you to customize it to your liking. If you are looking for a quick and easy project to get started with, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to put together. Very nice for my collection. Engage in building this Enterprise D model. It will energize your model building experience. For the scale and price, the ship is nicely detailed, with raised panel lines. The included decals provide an Aztecing pattern for the entire hull, and conform nicely to the curves of the kit. Number 4. AMT Star Trek Enterprise NCC 1701C Model Kit. This 1/1400 scale model kit allows you to build the U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701C. It's the predecessor to the Enterprise D, as seen in the yesterday's Enterprise episode. Add it to your collection today. The kit is molded in clear plastic, making it ideal for lighting. It includes markings for both the U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701C and the U.S.S. Yamaguchi NCC 26510. Battle damage decals are also included. This model is 1/1400 scale and 15 inches long. It features a domed display base and metal support rod. The kit is skill level 2, suggested for ages 14 and up. Snap assembly is available, and glue is optional. Paint is required. Looking for the perfect gift for a Trekkie? Or maybe a hobbyist or collector? This model kit is a great choice for birthdays or any special occasion. They will love it. Bring the iconic starship to life with this detailed model kit. It's a fantastic addition to any Star Trek collection. Get yours today. What we like. This kit is injected in clear plastic, ideal for lighting, and includes battle damage decals for added realism. It also features hull markings for 2 different ships. If you are a fan of the Next Generation era and enjoy adding detailed lighting effects to your models, this is the one for you. What people say. I like the bigger model sizes as they are easier to detail. Although you have one wing position option, it does leave you with alternate drives which you could construct away. More for the expert level modelers. But with the options and then the new landing gears and back ramp, you have a bit more room to create. For those not in the know, this is a reissue of the U.S.S. Enterprise model, previously released for Star Trek 2-6, starting 1984. The original released 1980 for ST-TMP did not have engraved Aztec paneling. Nice to have it back. It does require glue and paint, and it lends itself to lighting and modifications as the builder can imagine. Kit bash your own starship. Number 3. AMT Star Trek U.S.S. Enterprise 1:650 Model Kit. The U.S.S. Enterprise is as iconic as the characters from the original series. This ship is known by everyone. It's a symbol of exploration and adventure. This classic kit has been a favorite for modelers. The tooling and decal sheet have been updated, making the building process better than ever. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced modeler, this kit is perfect for you. The low part count and easy instructions make it a fun and rewarding build. Looking for a gift? This model kit is a great choice for birthdays or any special occasion. It's a gift that any hobbyist or collector will appreciate. Now you can build your own U.S.S. Enterprise. It's a fantastic way to celebrate the legacy of Star Trek. Get ready to explore the final frontier. What we like. This kit is a classic model of the original U.S.S. Enterprise, a must-have for any Star Trek fan. The low part count and easy instructions make it great for beginners. If you like the original series and are new to model building, this kit is an excellent starting point. What people say. I like the bigger model sizes as they are easier to detail. Although you have one wing position option, it does leave you with alternate drives which you could construct away. More for the expert level modelers. But with the options and then the new landing gears and back ramp you have a bit more room to create. For those not in the know, this is a reissue of the U.S.S. Enterprise model, previously released for Star Trek 2-6, starting 1984. The original released 1980 for ST-TMP did not have engraved Aztec paneling. Nice to have it back. It does require glue and paint, and it lends itself to lighting and modifications as the builder can imagine, kitbash your own starship. Water-based acrylic paints are easier to work with and more forgiving than the solvent-based paints. Number 2. Polar Light Star Trek Enterprise and Botany Bay Model Kit. This model kit brings together two legendary vessels from the Star Trek universe. It's a snap-together model, perfect for fans of the original series. You can build it quickly and easily. The 1/1000 scale model is designed for easy assembly. It's a great project for both beginners and experienced modelers. The pieces snap together, making the process simple and fun. This kit features detailed designs of the U.S.S. Enterprise and the SS Botany Bay. It captures the look of the ships from the classic Space Seed episode. The model is a great way to celebrate the show. This model is a must-have for any Star Trek collector. It's a great addition to any collection. Display it proudly and show off your love for the series. Own a piece of science fiction history with this model kit. It's a fantastic way to remember the original series. Get yours today and start building. What we like. This model kit features snap-together assembly, making it a quick and easy build. It also includes the SS Botany Bay, adding another iconic ship to your collection. If you are a fan of the original series and want a simple, yet detailed model, this is a great option. What people say. Very little paint is required, and snaps together or a quick setup. Extraordinary attention is given to tiny details of the various versions of Enterprise, the first pilot, the second pilot, the mirror version, and of course the standard version which graced the remaining 77 episodes. This kit offers you the ability to model 3 different variants, including both early prototypes, as well as offering decals for the Mirror Universe variant and a Botany Bay into the bargain. Number 1. Polar Light Star Trek Enterprise Reliant Model Kit. This is a model kit from Polar Lights. It's a replica of the U.S.S. Enterprise Reliant from Star Trek. You can build your own version of this iconic starship. This model kit is the Wrath of Khan edition. It's a detailed replica of the ship as it appeared in the movie. It's a great collectible for any Star Trek fan. The model is built at a 1:000 scale. This means the model is a scaled-down version of the actual ship. It's a great size for display. The model kit comes in white. You can paint it to match the original colors. It's a fun project for model builders. This model kit is made by Polar Lights. They are known for their high-quality model kits. It's a great addition to any collection. What we like. This model kit is a replica of the U.S.S. Enterprise from the Wrath of Khan. It's a detailed prop replica, perfect for collectors. If you are a fan of the movie and want a highly detailed model, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's a great kit, easy to assemble, a curiosity and really value for the money. The kit itself is pretty good quality. The pieces fit well together and very little glue if any is really needed to hold the parts together. This is a snap kit and I really only used glue to keep larger seams closed. Despite its size, this model has quite a lot of detail crammed into it, and for someone like me who is rapidly running out of display space, the smaller is actually the better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.